Hi, it is a beautiful day in Salado, Texas, and I'm here at 10015 Hodge Canyon, and we have a 2.5-acre property with a beautiful home, just a little bit over 2,800 square feet, and I can't wait to show you all of the incredible features of this home. Built in 1998, this home was custom designed for the family. This nice big round kitchen. This is actually a movable island area that gives some extra space, but one of the great features is this refrigerator. This is like a refrigerator closet. It's a JEN-AIRE. It does convey with the house. It's like, if you could call a refrigerator sexy, I would say this refrigerator is sexy. Freezer side. Favorite updates in this home are these beautiful French oak wood floors. They did this flooring throughout the whole house, all the bedrooms, except for the bathrooms, where they've got some beautiful onyx tile. To that beautiful big bathroom in the primary, we have a little extra flex area in here. So a small room that can be used for a study or an office or just some extra storage. So this home has 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms on one side, and then 2 bedrooms with a Jack and Jill on the other. With over 2 acres of private land to enjoy, these decks are beautiful. This upper level is fully fenced, and then there is a lower side yard that's a separate fence for pets, and then of course this view all the way to a dry creek bed full of wildlife and birds and So this property also includes a covered carport for trailers, boats, a big shop about 22 by 34 on a concrete slab. The home has a big 2-car garage and a metal roof. I couldn't decide the best place to end this video because there's so many beautiful places on this property to be, whether it's on the back porches or in the beautiful house, but I had to come back where we started, which is where we have this beautiful lake view. You can see just a little bit through the trees. That is Stillhouse Hollow Lake. So I appreciate you watching today. If you'd like to see this property, you can reach out at the numbers below. Thank you and have a great day.